what's up, YouTubers? Hey, just out in the shop here right now, working on Project Ultra Redemption. Cleaning up the cylinders. I ran them through the bead blaster. Now I'm cleaning them up on the wire wheel here. Getting the gaskets and stuff off. I masked all this stuff off before I ran it in the bead blaster to make sure nothing went in there and hit these Nickel cylinders, but these things are looking gorgeous. Man, this engine's gonna look nice. I kind of set my bar high last year when I did this to Project Bastard, was make all my cylinders look like this, and the engine and the carbs and everything else, so I don't know, can't help myself. Now I gotta do it to all of them, and I'll go through here and I'm gonna polish these things yet too, but what do you do, whatever. I got nothing but time, so I've been busier than a one-legged man in an ass-kicking contest out here this morning working on this engine stuff. I got bacon going in the smoker right now. I got turkey soup boiling over here in the corner. Working on all this bead blasting stuff. I got the case halves and some other stuff right down here on the floor. Check these things out. Man, geez, this looks like brand new again. Here's the water pump. I'm going to send this out and get it rebuilt. Everybody has concerns about these water pumps, that they will fail. It's just a matter of time. This one I actually did notice it was starting to weep out of the weep hole. Right there's the weep hole. It was actually starting to weep out of that. So I'm guessing it was a matter of time, and a short time that was going to go kapooey. So I'm gonna ship this thing out to a guy that's on the Polaris Ultra group on Facebook, specializes in doing these pumps. So I'll send it out to him and have him redo that. Here's the recoil cover. It's top half of the case, bottom half of the case. I'm going to go through and do my magic on these too. I mean, this thing's going to be beautiful when it's done. Yeah, I mean, the amount of hours, it's crazy how much time you could spend on making these engine parts look this awesome, but I find it worth every minute of it. I mean, it could spend upwards of 10 hours minimum between the bead blasting, the wire wheeling, and then I go back and polish too. It's a minimum of 10 hours. Imagine if you're paying shop rate. I mean, I run a shop here. I mean, I don't do a ton of work on people's stuff anymore, but I used to. But I mean, just imagine, say $80 an hour, which is still pretty cheap around for a shop. $800 to just have somebody clean up a case like this and the cylinders and stuff. That'd be a crazy amount of money to spend. But I'm sure people do it. I have time to do it, so I'll do it myself. But let's. I don't have a lot to show you guys today. I've been this is the first thing I really gotten done this week, was getting on this today. It's Friday after Thanksgiving. Only thing I did yesterday was babysit a turkey in the smoker all day yesterday. So that's pretty much was my day. I didn't really do anything in the shop, but I got venison bacon in the smoker today. We should walk over there and check. We gotta take a look at this. I smoked summer sausage last night too. So I smoked a turkey all day, pulled that out, stuck 20 pounds of summer sausage in the smoker, got that out of the smoker at about 10 o'clock last night. First thing this morning at 7 o'clock this morning, I got 32 pounds of venison bacon going in the smoker, and I got turkey soup boiling over here. And like I said, I'm just busy. So let's walk over. Come on along. Let's go over to the smoking room over here and take a look in the smoker. And you gotta see this bacon. This is something I show on my other YouTube channel. I've showed how to make this stuff, but oh my goodness. Check that out. Look at the color of these things. I just got them in here. They're smoking away with hickory. Oh, is them beautiful. Then I run them through my slicer, package them all up in 1 pound packages, and we feast on that stuff all year. Deer hunting was good again to us this year. We got a couple deer, so we enjoy our venison. We butcher them ourselves, and we process everything ourselves too. So that's all I got today, guys. Just a short little clip of what we got going on. We are trying to move forward. I did pick up a cabinet today. I'm going to build myself a vapor blaster cabinet. I'm going to give it a whirl. I've watched a bunch of videos on it. I'm thinking that'd be nice for something on my carburetors. I don't know. I went down to Harbor Freight this morning, bought one, watched a few videos on how to build one. I think I'm going to put one together just for doing my carburetors. I don't know. I'm fine with just the bead blasting on my case halves and stuff like that, but I think that'd be really nice to be able to do the carbs. So I'll give it a whirl. I'll probably have it all built here in a couple weeks, I'm guessing. I got to order a bunch of parts and, figure out how to build it. But there's a couple really, really good videos on YouTube on how to do that. If you guys want to build one, check it out. It seems if you have any kind of knowledge at all, it seems simple enough. It just, and there's a couple guys on there go into great detail and explain exactly where to get the parts, the part numbers, what eBay seller to buy it from to save your most money, and I'm gonna give it a whirl. I mean, it seems like for about $500 or something, you can put one of these together, and it might improve our builds a little bit. So, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Stay tuned. There are more projects to be done in here yet. Thanks, guys.